Welcome to FitNCalm. I'm Kushpinder and today I'll be doing a review for one of my favorite products, which is the suspension trainer. It's also known as the TRX. So TRX is one equipment that I really love because it gives you such a holistic workout no matter where you are. I could be traveling, it is so light, I can carry it around anywhere. I can use it outdoors, I can use it at the back of my own door. Another good thing about the TRX is that it uses all the muscles of your body. So most of the times your body is in suspension and all the muscles have to be utilized to make your body really stable, and in very few minutes it can give you a complete workout. No matter how your body is, your body could be really strong or your body could be on its way to getting strong. So you can adjust it according to your level of muscular strength. So I'll be showing you a few of the exercises also in the coming days about how you can use a TRX for strengthening various parts of the body. And one thing that I really love about the TRX is a lot of the yoga asanas, also you can do them very safely with the help of the TRX. It could be back bends, it could be getting into Bakasana, it could be many other asanas, many of the balancing asanas. So it gives you a little bit of like light support and then you are on your own in a small amount of time. This particular piece of equipment that I use is from Decathlon, from the brand Domios. So this is what it looks like. As you see, it's really tiny and it's very portable. A lot of other brands are also available, but this is the one that I use, and in India I think this is the one that is the most affordable as well. I got it for something under 2000 rupees, and on Amazon also you can get it for, I think Amazon starts offering from about 2500 rupees plus. I'll leave a few links down below. Otherwise you can visit the closest Decathlon store and you can get it from there. And so let's see what's there in the magic box. So it's just got one tiny piece of equipment, actually two. So I'll show you how to use the other one as well. So this is the main piece of equipment. As you can see, these are the handles and these are the straps. These basically help you to adjust the length of the straps. And at the end of it, you have this door anchor. So you use it when you are using this indoors, so that is when you use the door anchor. So let's see how to use the TRX inside. So this is the door anchor. What you have to do is take the door anchor and open the door and just place it on the outside. So there should not be place in between over here. So what you do is you just latch the door and just close it. Now make sure that the door opens on the other side. So don't do it on the opposite side, because then in case the latch gives out or it's not locked properly, you might fall down. So the door goes away from you. That is usually how you should do it. So once it is locked, so you can just use the TRX and you can use the straps to adjust. So this is the shortened version of the straps. So this line that is over here, red line, is the middle length. So you can use it over here also on both of these, and you can adjust according to whatever you want to do. You can check out our other posts for more exercises in the future. So whenever you are using the TRX, so make sure that there is no slack when you are doing it. And the other one is if you want to use it outdoors. So this is the equipment that you use. If you want to put it on maybe a pull-up bar, or if you want to use it on a tree or something. So as you can see, I'm outdoors in my grandma's place right now, and I am going to use the TRX on this particular tree. All you have to do is you have to take this strap and just take it around the tree and find a secure spot and just take it in and just hold it. See if it holds. So this is strong enough. So once you've done this, so take the other end of the TRX and just take this particular strap over here and you just take this harness and just put it inside. So now you're good to go. So you can just adjust the straps now accordingly. So over here I've kind of put it at a lower length. You can adjust the length, you can put it a little higher, however you want to. So that's about it, and your TRX is good to go. So enjoy your suspension training and check out the other videos where I'll be teaching you how you can actually use the TRX for yoga asanas and for workouts. And do like, share and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. And thank you very much. May you stay fit and calm.